So you want to create a gig on Fiverr, and you want to actually know the steps you need to follow in order to create a gig on Fiverr, in order to make quick sales on Fiverr. Then this video is actually for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a gig on Fiverr in order for you to make more sales. So guys, that was much of your time. Let's simply dive right into the video. So right here is my Fiverr account. So you can just go to your browser and search for fiverr.com and log into your account. So once you do that, now I've been hearing people saying that you can't actually create a gig on Fiverr using your mobile phone. It can only be done with your PC, but that isn't true. I'm going to actually show you how to get it done with your mobile phone. So right here on your mobile phone, if you go to your browser, at the top right corner you can see the three dots icon right there. So when you click on that, right here you're going to see where it says desktop sites. You need to toggle that on like this, and it is going to expand the gig, your dashboard, like this. You can see that the dashboard has been expanded. So this is the laptop and PC version of the Fiverr. So at the top right corner like this, you can see your profile picture. So you simply need to go ahead and click on it like this. So when you do that, looking right here, you can see where it says become a seller. You can see that right here. So you need to go ahead and click on become a seller, because you want to actually sell your skill or service or product. So right here, this is what you're going to see once you do that. Now looking here, you can see where it says work your way. Now below there, you can see where it says become a seller. Or right here as well, you can see where it says become a seller. So whichever way, you need to go ahead and click on become a seller like this. So when you click on that, looking right here, it says way to start selling on Fiverr. Here is the breakdown. Learn what makes a successful profile, create your seller profile, publish your gig. So you must have successfully created a profile on your Fiverr account. Now if you haven't done that, I've actually made a well-detailed video on how to create a Fiverr account. So you need to go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to actually leave that video on this video's description. So looking right here on the screen, you can see the option of continue. You need to go ahead and click on that like this. Now looking right here, it says what makes a successful Fiverr profile. Now it says here, take your time in creating your profile so it's exactly as you want. Now it says here, add credibility by linking out to your relevant professional network. Accurate description of your professional skills to help get more work. Now these are the things you need to have in mind while creating a successful Fiverr profile. Go ahead and click on continue once more. Now click on continue again. So looking right here at the bottom, you can see where it says continue. These are actually my profile information. You can choose to edit them in order to suit the gig you want to actually create. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and click on continue like this. So when you do that, at the bottom as well, you can see where it says continue. You need to go ahead and click on that. Let's continue. If you want to add your phone number, you can go ahead and click on add phone number and add your phone number like this. So right here, looking here, you can see where it says continue. You need to go ahead and click on that. Now if you have not actually added your Gmail or phone number, you can go ahead and add your Gmail or phone number, because all those details are actually necessary in order to give you the best job on Fiverr. So right here, you can see where it says create a gig. You can see that right here. So you need to go ahead and click on create a gig like this. So looking right here on the screen, this is actually the whole reason of creating this video, so you need to pay attention here. So right here, in order for you to create a gig on Fiverr, you need to pass through 6 steps, which is overview, pricing, description, requirements, then gallery and publishing. These are the steps you are going to pass through in order for you to create a successful gig on Fiverr. So here is the overview, where you need to actually explain to Fiverr what you are going to be offering. So that's it. You need to make your title to be as short as possible, because short title actually gives more job. So right here, you can see where it says category. You need to click on that and select a category that actually relates with your title. So the category I'm going to select here is video and animation. So right here, you can see where it says select a subcategory. So you need to go ahead and click on that and select a subcategory that actually relates with your title and not something else. So here, I'm going to go ahead and select social media videos. Then looking right here, the platform I'm going to select here is YouTube. You can see that right here. Then the next step you need to take here is go ahead and select the video style. So I'm going to select animation and the content type. I'm going to go ahead and select order like this. So here you can see where it says search tags, so you can go ahead and add some tags. So these tags are actually those words that your clients might actually search on Fiverr, and they'll be able to see your product or service. So you can go ahead and type in, let's say, voiceover. So you just need to add some tags like this that you feel like when people search for that tag, they'll be able to find and see your product or service on Fiverr and actually give you a job. So you can actually use ChatGPT to generate the best tag for your title or any other AI. Looking right here, you can see where it says continue, save and continue. Once you do that, you're actually done with the first step. So looking right here, you can see that we are now on pricing. So once you're done with the overview, it is actually going to direct you to the pricing section like this. So you need to fill in the details. Right here is I've actually inputted the details. So you need to input the details based on how you intend to deliver it to your clients in order to get job. You can actually remove any unnecessary parts you don't want. So let's say you are seeing something like this. You can go ahead and click on the box in order to remove it if you don't want to give out that service. So clicking on save and continue, you can see that we've been able to pass the pricing section. Now we are now on description. So right here, you just need to input a short description of what your gig is all about. Then come right here and click on save and continue, or you can add frequently asked questions and answer those questions as well. Then go ahead and click on save and continue like this. Now it says your description contains excessive use of the term YouTube. So I'm going to clear this description. So I'm going to be using this short description, and I'm going to go ahead and click on save and continue like this. So in your own case, you should make sure that your gig description actually explains clearly, with clarity, what your gig is all about in the shortest form as possible. So right here is the next step. You need to come right here and add your own question. You can see an example of the question which was asked here, which is, if you are ordering for a business, what's your industry? Now the answer is 3D design, e-commerce, accounting, marketing, etc. The second one here is this other part of a bigger project you are working on? Now the answer is building a mobile app, creating an animation, developing a game, etc. So looking right here, you can see where it says ask a question, and you can come right here and ask your own question. So I'm going to come right here and select free text after asking this question. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on add like this and click on save and continue. You can actually ask anything in your own case. So looking right here is the fifth step you need to take in order to create a gig. You've actually passed the first one, which is overview, the second one, which is pricing, the third one, which is description, the fourth one, which is requirements. Now this fifth one is where you need to upload an image that describes what your gig is all about. Now this image should be in 1280 by 769 pixel. So you can come right here and looking here, it says video only, image up to 3, documents. So you need to come right here and upload those images. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save and continue, since I've been able to upload the video and the 3 images. So looking right here is the 6th step you need to actually take in order to publish your gig, which is known as publish. So right here, you just need to verify your details by adding your phone number and uploading your ID, and you are good to go, and you'll be able to publish that gig on Fiverr. People will be able to search for the gig and find the gig and give you a job. So these are the steps you need to actually take in order to create a gig on Fiverr. Hope you found this video helpful, and for more tips and tricks, do it, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips like this. See you in the next one.